Hello ladies and gentlemen, I want to give you an update on my Farmall for the short-term plans. Firstly, there will be shortly new magneto on, so this is on order, and then I can remove this temporary coil system that I put in. So this is the first part. And then also you will see a starter in the Farmall 6 volt, and then thirdly there will be the original lights both sides, and then there's another thing. Oh yeah, let me go on the other side. The next thing, but this will be after the magneto and the starter and the lights, will be this part that gives me this huge play. You can see if you follow that shaft, and that's me with the hand. It's a kind of play that I have in this box, so we will have to, I'm gonna make a plan with that. Okay, I think okay, yes, then I never replaced the seal. I will also replace the seal there. I had last time when I serviced it, I had to screw this on very tight so that it doesn't leak. Okay, so this is more or less the plans for the short term. I was planning today to remove this part and put that on video, but that will wait for next weekend, because I was busy this morning in the house with some renovations, and so it's now too late to start with this. I am making a braai for a barbecue, and I see for the first time that my Weber get also damaged during the move. So here's my nice chicken kebabs and a piece of sausage. I'm busy preparing. Shall we have a look inside? It's coming nicely. That's chicken kebabs in a barbecue sauce. This is the goodness.